Model: 2016 Renault TRAFIC VIVARO long wheelbase, minibus diesel LL29 Energy dCi 125 Sport Nav 9-seater top spec factory minibus Starstruck. Body: grey, minibus. Mileage: 171688. MOT: 8 June 2024. Engine: 1598 CCR9M 125 Energy E6. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash grin. Condition summary: bodywork is in excellent condition. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear seating area is extremely clean and tidy. This is a very well looked after minibus. First to see will definitely buy. Features: part service history, reversing camera, air-con, cruise control, electric windows, sat-nav, parking sensors. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £13,150. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call